To begin with, the first is an expression that denotes sadness. The basic way of saying is he looked sadly at her, and the advanced way of saying would be he looked at her with a somber expression. Other words or phrases that could be used in place of somber expression are melancholic, very grim looking, humorless, dismal, doleful, dingy, or sepulchral. All these words denote sadness. The second is I want to address someone who is leading a very simple, strict, and serious life. The basic way of saying would be the nuns live a very simple life. Using a little bit of power-packed words, I can say the nuns lead austere lives, simple and austere lives. Other words in place of austere could be plain, unadorned, undecorated life, unembellished life, unornamented life, unostentatious life, no frills life, a very Spartan living, unvarnished life. The third is to address something that is very rare or exceptional. The basic is that thing is so rare. Advanced is that thing is as scarce as hen's teeth. And other words in place of rare and exceptional are unparalleled, unequaled, stellar, second to none, uncommon, and atypical. The fourth is I want to say about someone that the person is very great. She's a great badminton player. Advanced is she's a top-notch badminton player. Other synonyms in place of top-notch would be stellar, stellar performance, exemplary, exquisite, outstanding, she's sterling performance, distinctive, and the synonyms of rare and exceptional also could be used here.